You've probably heard this 1,000 times. Take a deep breath before you sing. But what if I told you that how you inhale right before you sing can completely transform your vocal performance? Inhalation is not just about getting air into your lungs. It's about preparing your body. It's about setting up your space. And it's about creating the conditions for your best sound before you ever phonate. So today I'm breaking down a few key inhalation techniques that will help you sing with more ease, freedom, and confidence, starting with your very next breath. Let's get started. Inhalation is not just physical, it's mental, emotional, and musical. So let's reframe inhalation. It's not just about taking a breath so you have enough air for the phrase. It's a chance to reset tension, prepare your body, ground your intention, shape your resonance space, and connect to the story you're about to sing. Your breath is not a pause, it's a preparation. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're breathing in silently. If you're gasping for air like a cartoon character underwater, we've got some work to do, okay? Silent inhalation equals relaxed, efficient, and professional inhalation. So when you inhale silently, you avoid unnecessary tension in the throat. You stay connected to your phrase. You don't dry out your vocal cords. You keep your audience in the moment. No drama, no gasp, just breath. Silently. Now, you can breathe through your nose, your mouth, or both. There's no single correct way to inhale. What matters is ease and clarity. Okay? Breathing through the nose can be calming and centering. Okay? And sometimes it makes you feel like you can get a more intense breath. Breathing through the mouth can feel quicker and more immediate. Or you can do a combo. You can breathe through the nose and then top it off with a mouth breath like this. Okay? Just make sure that your air is coming in without resistance and without lifting your shoulders or collapsing your rib cage. The breath should drop in, not be pulled in. Okay? The next thing I want you to think about is I want you to inhale the vowel you're about to sing. Now, this is a game changer. Okay? Your inhalation isn't just about air. It's about shaping the space for the sound you're about to make. So here's how. Say your next phrase begins on an ah vowel, okay? So instead of just breathing in randomly, inhale an ah shape. That breath actually sets your tongue, your soft palate, your pharynx, and jaw in the right position before you sing. So you think of it like previewing the shape of your tone. You're not just breathing in, you're preparing your instrument. Next, use your breath to release and open the throat. Okay? We don't want a tight, grabby inhale. Instead, go for what I like to call a pre-yawn breath. That feeling you get just before a yawn that stretches open the back of your throat, you feel it? That first feeling, it just releases open your throat. So let your jaw drop gently and then inhale through the mouth and feel the soft palate lift and the throat widen. Okay? That's your body saying, I'm open, I'm ready, let's sing. And here's a bonus tip. Your inhale is your cue to connect. Don't rush it. Don't skip it. Take the time to connect breath to phrase, body to emotion, intention to voice. Even in fast music, you can still take a connected breath. It's not about the length of the inhale, it's about the quality. The more present you are in your breath, the more powerful your singing will be. So to recap, here are your inhalation must-knows. 1, it's more than just air, it's preparation and intention. 2, breathe silently. 3, use nose, mouth, or a combination of both to inhale, whatever brings you ease. Number 4, inhale the vowel you're about to sing. Number 5, use your breath to release tension and open space. And finally, let your breath connect you to the phrase. Your inhale is your ignition switch. Use it well, and your whole instrument responds. So go ahead, take a breath like you mean it, and let it set the stage for your most powerful, connected performance yet. And if this video gave you something new to try or helped you rethink your breath, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss future lessons. Breath is the beginning of everything in singing. So let's keep building that foundation together. Keep breathing, keep connecting, and stay savvy.